Welcome, so today I am with AirPods 2nd generation and the Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm gonna show you how to manually connect the AirPods to your Apple Watch. So the first, just pick your Apple Watch and the case, open the case to let them connect, and right now swipe your finger, scroll down and click here, and right now as you can see there's the option, the Galaxy Buds and the AirPods, so just click on the AirPods. And yeah, now they are connected and you can just feel free to use them. So this is how it looks with the Apple Watch Series 3 and the AirPods 2nd generation. Thank you for watching, leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.